everyone, welcome to EVS session. Yesterday we discussed that how the air gets dirty. The 149 page number, they shown the pictures. First one burning crackers, second one vehicle smoke, third one factory smoke, and fourth one dumping waste. This all the smoke air gets dirty. Yes or no? Yes. Now today we will discuss how can we keep the air pure. How we keep the air pure? There are some ways in which we can keep the air clean. How means we should plant the more trees. We should planting the more trees, because how much we keep the planting the more trees, the plants keep the air very fresh. Yes or no? Right. We should plant more trees. Plant keep the air fresh. And next one, we should walk or cycle very short distance. Okay, whenever we go, you just think it of, is it short distance or is it very far distant? Is it short distance? Is it don't take the vehicles, go for the walk or go for a cycling. Understood? We don't do the air pollution. It will get air pollution. More and more vehicle we are using, the air will polluted. So we should walk or cycling the very short distance. Understood? Next come to, these are the ways we keeping the air pure. Next, we should not burn the plastic materials like plastic things, plastic whatever that is. We should not burn. It will harm to the air. So we should not burn the things like burning things adds like smoke. It will get more smoke and dust into the air and makes it very dirty. That will air gets very dirty. Understood? Next, we should not allow factories to give out smoke their polluted air. Yes, in the shown on that picture, the factory smoke is so much is there, very black in color. That smoke must be avoided. Not only factories dumping the wastes and all, vehicle smoke. See that picture that shown, crackers on the festival we are burning the crackers. Please, this all avoid the things. Understood? Then only we get air pure. Otherwise will not get the air pure. It will get dirty. So more and more planting the trees. How much we planting the more trees, then we'll get the fresh air. Avoid this all the burning the plastic materials. Avoid the plastic bags. So please take out of cotton material like cotton bags and all. Avoid this all plastic, because that all plastic materials will also by going wind blow, when the wind will blow, no, that all the waste will go by the water only. Then water will get dirty. See, even also air is dirty, water is dirty. How can we survive our life? We will also fall very sick. Will get many disease. So one to one they are connected. So we have to avoid this all. So please make a smoke free. The air will get polluted. Otherwise the air will get dirty. Otherwise will not get pure air. So these are the some many ways we to keep the air clean. Keep the air pure. Just you ask it your parents, otherwise you ask it your brother or sister. The list out, make a list out what are the ways to we keep the air pure. Just list out the 5. If you anybody have listed that 5, please send me in WhatsApp group. Okay. Next, the one way that you allow alone no is to grow the more plants. Yes, I said no that the way you will all know is to growing the more plants. Next, think of more ways in which you 7 years old can help to make the air cleaner. Yes, we can do no in our school surrounding or house, in our street surrounding, the all the waste materials or plastic materials we will take one together. I will take that all we have to dump in out of area, that will not get the air impure. Please planting the more trees on the school side, so school surrounding your home side. Your many friends are there, no, take a group, 7 to 8 members will take group and make this all air then get pure. Understood? Next, yes, like us, all living things need air to breathe. This one is we already clear that. We already know that all living things need air and even also water. They are both is our basic needs. So we have to keep the not only for us, we have to keep for the plants and even also animals also need a air. Yes or no? Yes. Tomorrow we will discuss that activity. Cover a potted with plastic bucket. Don't forget to water it daily. This will discuss in next class. Okay? Bye. Have a good day, children.